How to trim videos in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trim your videos through the help of the edits app according to your preference. It's really simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open your edits app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page of your edits app, tap on this plus icon to open a new project, or you can also use a previous project. Now choose the video that you want to edit, tap on it and hit on the tick icon. The media will load in your editing screen. After that, you have to click on the video. Then the various tools will appear at the bottom of your screen. Tap on split and that's it. Repeat the steps according to your preference and requirement. Once you are satisfied with the trimming of the video, tap on export and that's pretty much it. This is how you can trim your videos with the help of Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.